Time now for sports, and FIFA has confirmed that it will open disciplinary proceedings against Argentina for the conduct of their players in the immediate aftermath of the World Cup final. That means some of their players, including Leandro Paredes, could face bans. Following their 1-0 defeat to Spain on Sunday, members of Argentina and backroom staff were involved in post-match altercations with Spanish players. FIFA has now opened an investigation into the matter, probing the players involved. Nahuel Molina, Leandro, Thiago Almada, and assistant coach Roberto Ayala were all involved. It was initially reported by FIFA that Paredes was sent off for pushing Spain's Eric Garcia by the throat. But the record later showed it was removed and that disciplinary action was yet to be taken. Argentina had already had one player dismissed, with Enzo Fernandez receiving a second yellow card in second half stoppage time. FIFA's disciplinary committee appointed a disciplinary and ethics prosecutor to assess what happened after the final whistle. FIFA has already begun the process of disciplinary action against Argentina after their players held a banner in support of their country's claims to the Falkland Islands following the 2-1 semi-final win against England. Another incident that is drawing attention is the decision of Lisandro Martinez and Cristian Romero to not shake hands with President Donald Trump.